How to fix login errors on Instacart. Now, Instacart is actually a popular shopping application as well. If you're having issues logging into the Instacart app, there could be a couple of ways to fix it. First of all, we want to make sure it is not the issue with the internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa. Next, if you're using Android, simply open up your settings, scroll down to the apps section right here. From the apps section, simply locate or search for the Instacart application right here. Then once done, you can go to its storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. By the way, if you're on iPhone, you want to try to offload the app or completely reinstall the app. You can also try to check for the Instacart app update on your respective app stores. If you have an update available, make sure to update it to the latest version. Even after you've done all this, you're still not being able to log into your Instacart account, then chances are probably that your login details are incorrect or there's an issue with your account. So normally you can go to the login option, simply make sure to enter the email or the phone number that you used to sign up or log in your Instacart account with. Otherwise, if you do not remember those, you can also directly continue with Google or your Facebook account, but you can also tap on the continue option. Then you can continue with Google, or you can reset your password in case you happen to forget it. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem to log in your account on Instacart. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.